a few of you may know, a few weeks ago I put up a poll on our community page and you could vote on which recipe I should make next for a video. And a butter cracker recipe video got the most votes, so I filmed that. And then as I was in the process of editing that video, I found out that the camera had died halfway through and deleted most of my footage. So I have to re-film that video. But we've been in the middle of a lot of cleaning and other things like that right now. So I just haven't had the chance. And then we ran out of flour, except for whole wheat flour. And then we ordered flour, and now we're out of baking powder. So I have to get baking powder. And so as soon as we get that, I'll try and get a video out, the cracker video out as soon as I can. But we hope to get a couple of videos out. Some family videos, some other videos in the meantime. So thank you, and here's a quick sneak peek at how that video should look when I film it. Is it possible to make homemade buttery and crispy crackers with no special equipment?
Of course it is.
Of course it is. So today we're going to show you our favorite recipe for crackers. Alright, let's get started. Alright, all we're going to need is 6 ingredients: sugar, butter, milk, baking powder, salt, and flour. Alright, thank you all for your patience. I can't wait to get this video up, and I'm really excited to share lots and lots of other recipes with you like these. Okay, God bless, and we'll hopefully see you soon.